Yo, this is just me wanting to do an experimental video, not really trying to be serious about it, but also I just like I really like cubing, that's all. I just like being fast at this. I enjoy it. I literally have it in my hand right now, so I've been literally the only thing I've been doing is this for like the past week. So yeah. Bye.
What are we gonna review this for? I don't know how to do that. Okay. What? Weird scrambled? Okay. Just let me do that. Okay, this scramble's weird. I don't like it. Either I messed up the scramble or I don't like the scramble. Maybe it's both. Wait, no, not that way. You idiot. I love you so, never gonna let you go. No swearing. No swearing. This is a family-friendly channel. No, wait. Oh my god. Why are you this slow when the camera's on, but when you're not slow, you just sit. You suck. 45 bull. This is hold on, let me think. Oh, I remember now. This is a right to left, left to right. It's what is it, right? U R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime. Whoop. Bam. This goes blues of piss me off more than anything. You're kidding me, bro. I fucking hate you. Oh my. Okay, I'm getting angry. I'm getting angry. I love you so, never gonna let you go. I just got this part anyways. You got some amazing things that I need. Please. Blocked. Look, I hate my locks. I keep forgetting that part. And this is just R. It's the right. So are you prime? Are you? Okay. Around the corners. And whatever, gives the same results. What? How does this line up? These lines up. See, I'm faster with that method for some reason. 57. I got a 57. Mistakes. it keeps locking up because you know, let's do it a little bit. I love you. Fudge! Come on, how the hell did I get a 39-second PB once? Bull crap, man. I'm cheating. That was cheating. Ain't no way I got a 39 seconds. That was just pure bull. There's no way that's true. I hate being fast with this slower method. Okay. One more. We're gonna do CFOP. Beginner CFOP. No, I don't know full CFOP yet. Yeah, because I know I'm gonna learn that in a day. That's lying, by the way. It took me like... took me like a week to learn. I'm joking. It took me like a few days. But that sucks. What type of scramble did I get? What do you mean? Jesus Christ, let's get that TN. Let me just line this up. What type of scramble did I get? Jesus Christ. How the hell did I get 39 seconds? See, fast. I got a good scramble.
Hey, I'm surprised you even stayed. Like, thanks. But this was just for fun. I'll post another one, maybe. When I get better, though. I think that's a week later, though. So, thanks for watching. Bye.